On an ordinary Tuesday, the brain suddenly feels unusually optimistic. It climbs to the top of a metaphorical mountain of conviction and confidently declares that today will be the day, a full 36-hour fast. The rest of the body is not impressed. The stomach protests immediately, questioning the brain's sanity. The intestines agree, insisting that no one can handle such a long stretch without food. But the brain remains calm and reassuring, promising that everything will be fine and that they will all be grateful later. At first, things seem manageable. The body still has plenty of glucose from the last meal, and there's hope that the brain might change its mind once hunger kicks in. But hours pass, and the decision remains unchanged. 6 hours in, the glucose supply runs out. Panic begins to spread, but the body quickly turns to its backup, glycogen reserves stored in the liver and muscles. For a while, this keeps everything under control, though concern continues to grow as hunger intensifies. By the 12-hour mark, the glycogen reserves are nearly depleted. Now the situation feels serious. The body scrambles for alternatives. The pituitary gland steps in, releasing growth hormone to help maintain energy. Soon after, the pancreas signals for glucagon, triggering the breakdown of fat into ketones, a new fuel source. Surprisingly, as ketones take over, something unexpected happens. Hunger begins to fade. The body, which once resisted, slowly starts adapting to this new state. Around 20 hours, fatigue sets in for most of the body. Muscles feel weak and energy is low. Yet the brain appears sharper and more alert than ever. Meanwhile, deep within the cells, a different kind of activity begins. Damaged components are repaired, toxic proteins are cleared out, and internal systems undergo maintenance. The body is, in a sense, cleaning and restoring itself from within. Finally, at 36 hours, the transformation is complete. What once felt impossible now feels empowering. The body recognizes the benefits of the process, and even the earlier skeptics begin to appreciate the outcome. The brain, satisfied, celebrates the achievement and proudly reminds everyone that it knew this would work all along. But just as the sense of victory settles in, the brain cheerfully suggests a reward, a feast. And just like that, the cycle threatens to begin all over again.